The inspiration for three-step was experience that my father, Dr. Norman Orentreich, accumulated treating patients in his office. When three-step was created, the world of skincare was very different. There were people who said to wash your face 100 times, or to use very rich, heavy creams, or not to touch your skin at all. Over time, there was a much greater understanding of how skin worked, especially within the dermatology community. My father made use of this new information and his clinical experience to design a regimen that really suited the way skin worked naturally. My father observed over the years that the optimal way he could achieve great skin for his patients was to have them use a three-step regimen consisting of cleansing, exfoliation, and moisturization. It was these formulas that my father had developed in his practice that became the basis of Clinique's three-step system. So, in effect, Clinique was the first brand that had real science behind it, the first dermatologist-guided brand. My father saw many different skin types in his practice. He realized that he needed cleansers of different strengths, exfoliators of different strengths as well, and different type of moisturizers for different skins. So he understood very well the importance of customizing a skincare regimen even as basic as three-step. The three-step regimen is ideally adaptable because each of the steps has a multiple of products. And therefore, with these three steps, we can customize the regimen for the most sensitive, driest skin types all the way to the oiliest skin types. I'm very often asked, why is this regimen still good today? I tell people it was a regimen that's based on skin biology, how skin functions, and of course we are the same human beings, and our skin is basically the same today as it was 50 years ago, 100 years ago, or 1,000 years ago. Three-step is as relevant today as it was 40, 50 years ago when it was first used by my father in his clinical practice.